Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log into your GoSimple Tax account. For this, what you need to do is, guys, open up any web browser. As I have already opened Google Chrome, bring up the search bar and type in GoSimple Tax Login and hit enter. Make sure it takes you to the official link. You scroll down a bit here, you can see the accounts. GoSimpleTax.com. Click on that link, then you'll be onto the official website of GoSimple Tax. Now, over here, you can see the sign-in form. Simply, you need to enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on the eye icon, then you'll be able to see your password. And once you click on the sign-in button, you'll be easily able to access your account. In case if you forget your password, just click on Forgot Password, then you'll be able to recover your password. In case if you don't have any account of GoSimple Tax, just click on Sign Up here, then you'll be able to create your new account. That's it for today, guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.